Welcome to Inbound Tutorials. I am Evelyn and today we will discuss the benefits of case studies during the inbound methodology. In today's digital landscape, case studies have become invaluable tools for businesses looking to showcase their success and attract new customers. In this video, we'll explore why case studies are essential and how they can significantly benefit your inbound marketing efforts. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Let's dive in. Establishing credibility. One of the primary benefits of case studies within the inbound methodology is establishing credibility. When potential customers are considering your product or service, they want proof that it works. Case studies provide real-life examples of how your solution has successfully addressed the challenges your customers faced. By showcasing these results, you build trust and credibility, making it more likely for prospects to choose your business. Storytelling and relatability. Case studies allow you to tell compelling stories that resonate with your target audience. Instead of just presenting data and statistics, you can highlight the journey of your customers, their pain points, and how your product or service provided a solution. By presenting relatable stories, you engage your audience on an emotional level, making it easier for them to connect with your brand and envision themselves experiencing similar benefits. Demonstrating value. Case studies are powerful tools for demonstrating the value of your product or service. Instead of relying solely on your marketing messages, you can let your satisfied customers speak for you. By showcasing the tangible results and positive outcomes your customers have achieved, you provide social proof that convinces prospects of the value they can expect from choosing your business. This can be particularly influential in B2B scenarios, where decision-makers often seek evidence of a solution's effectiveness. Addressing specific use cases. Case studies allow you to showcase the versatility of your product or service by addressing specific use cases. Each customer may have unique requirements or challenges, and case studies provide an opportunity to demonstrate how your offering can cater to those specific needs. By presenting a range of use cases, you showcase the flexibility and adaptability of your solution, appealing to a broader audience and increasing the likelihood of conversion. SEO benefits. Another important benefit of case studies within the inbound methodology is their impact on search engine optimization, SEO. When you create detailed and well-structured case studies, you provide rich content that search engines can index and rank. This helps improve your website's visibility, attracting organic traffic from prospects actively searching for solutions in your industry. Additionally, case studies often contain valuable keywords and phrases, further boosting your SEO efforts. Sales enablement. Case studies are valuable assets for your sales team. They provide tangible evidence of your product or service's effectiveness, enabling your sales representatives to address objections and highlight success stories during the sales process. By equipping your sales team with well-crafted case studies, you empower them to engage prospects more effectively and close deals with confidence. Case studies are a vital component of the inbound methodology, offering a myriad of benefits for businesses. They establish credibility, tell compelling stories, demonstrate value, address specific use cases, enhance SEO efforts, and empower your sales team. By incorporating case studies into your inbound marketing strategy, you can effectively attract and convert prospects into satisfied customers. That concludes our video on the benefits of case studies using the inbound methodology approach to marketing. We hope you now recognize the immense value case studies can bring to your marketing efforts. Start capturing and showcasing the success stories of your customers to establish credibility, engage your audience, and drive business growth. I am Evelyn with Optimart Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.